2:30 AM now in Guwahati. We are in the heart of Guwahati city, in front of Pantaloons downtown. So we'll be accelerating Tawang now. It's 2:30 AM and it's really cold over here. And over here we have to face the extreme temperature, which is nothing compared to the temperature over here. So let's start.
Hi, मेरा नाम नौजमुल हुसैन है. I have come 190 kilometers riding with Assam bikers to your mission Chariali. To wish them best of luck for their ride the heights. Which is going on. They will ride till Tawang. I am a supporter of this group. I wish them best of luck. All the best Assam bikers. Go conquer Tawang.
So Hemango, you're finally in the border of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. How do you feel?
It feels amazing. Yeah, the scenery is so beautiful here, and roads are so undeveloped, but it's too good for us to ride here.
For adventure, you mean?
Yeah, adventurous.
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा अरुणाचल प्रदेश घुस के, क्योंकि इसका जो सौंदर्य जो है ना, जो प्राकृतिक सौंदर्य है, ये देख के ही मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा है. और इसका रास्ता, हिली रास्ता में बाइक चला के मुझे बहुत खुश महसूस हो रहा है.
मैं यही कहना चाहता हूँ कि ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा चैलेंजिंग है. आप देख सकते हैं कि और आगे और भी ज़्यादा चैलेंजिंग रोड है, तो ये बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है अभी तक, और बाद में देखते हैं.
Still looking forward for snow.
It was quite well. Now just enjoying the weather and the atmosphere of Arunachal Pradesh.
Okay.
I'm just want some snow, so I'm going to Tawang.
So
now.
you're waiting for the snow?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm moving now Tawang.
So we are now in the border of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. So this means one of my dream is going to come true. This is the day I was waiting for, ride to Tawang. So here it starts. Let's see what is there to come. Right now we are in Hotel Sipyang Farm in Bomdila. One night we stayed here, one of the worst stay ever. Hospitality is really bad in this hotel. And last night we rode around 6 hours in the dark, and it was really challenging for us to reach till Bomdila itself. Now we have to head to Tawang, and you can feel that our whole body is frozen. We don't know how if we can go, but then we will do it. That is one thing. And as the ride says, extreme temperature and extreme altitude, and we have seen it. It is actually so extreme, and it's beyond our expectation now. We are not that prepared. We don't have that much of preparation that this ride needs. So on the way we will buy things. We will buy clothes that can keep ourselves warm, and head towards Tawang. Let's see how it goes.
मैंने बाइक लेके टाउन का लिए जाने स्टार्ट किया था, लेकिन बमदिला पहुँचते पहुँचते कल मेरा बाइक ख़राब हो गया है, उसका क्लच भी चल गया है। तो इसे ये बाइक लेके मुझे टाउन जाना बहुत मुश्किल है, इसीलिए पूरा जर्नी को मैं बीच में बंद नहीं करना नहीं चाहता हूँ। मैं आज इधर इसीलिए रुक गया, मेरा बाकी साथ साथी टाउन जाके आएगा। इसके लिए तो मुझे दुख है, लेकिन मेरे लिए हम लोग का मिशन बंद हो ये नहीं चाहता हूँ, इसलिए इधर स्टे करने के लिए रुक गया। एंड नाउ ऑल द बेस्ट टू आवर टीम, हैप्पी जर्नी, विश यू सक्सेस, complete the ride successfully.
Hello guys, today we are in Bomdila. Yesterday we reached here at around, I guess, 8 o'clock in the evening. So yesterday it was tough. I fell off my bike. It's quite slippery out there. The roads are not good at all. It's paining hard, man. Suddenly my ride is all okay, no such issues. So let's hope we conquer Tawang. I heard you were happy that you saw something in your bike you never saw before. Yeah. Actually, the fire that comes out of the exhaust. Can you show it now? I don't think it will come out by. Why? Like, just try it once. Try it once if the fire comes again. Nice. I can hear the sound, but I can't see the fire. Maybe because of the. You can see it right now because of the light. All sunlight. At night you can shoot this again. I can show you at Tawang. So right now all the bikers are ready to go. We'll be heading towards Tawang. It's pretty late because after 15 hours of riding yesterday, we woke up late, and moreover we planned not to move today. But then after seeing the weather, which is really good now, we have changed our plan to move today itself. So we have 170 kilometers of riding to do. Yesterday, last night while riding, we took 1 hour to cover 20 kilometers. Hope roads will be better today and we can cover the 170 kilometers before dark, though it will be really difficult, but we'll try to do it. So we just climbed less than a kilometer from Bomdila, and this is our first encounter with snow. So Paul David Roy, how do you feel?
Oh, it's awesome!
Zishan, where are you right now? In the top of the world?
I'm in the top of the world!
We still have to go. Aishad! Awesome! Go! So right now we are about to reach Sela Pass. It is around 7 kilometers from here. It is too cold over here. We stopped here just to warm our hands and legs because it's so cold that we are not able to control our bike's handle because our fingers and leg, everything is becoming numb. We are using the heat of the silencer pipe and the heat of the fog light to heat up our hands. And as we told in the morning, Arshad is testing his Spitfire exhaust. Still to reach Sela Pass. It's full of fog over here. It's snowing and it's difficult to ride. It's difficult to breathe over here. We are the only 7 guys over here. There is no one else except us in this whole area. So one of our co-riders just now fell down, so he wanted to take a stop, and moreover it's really cold here. It's difficult to control the bike handle, it's difficult to use the gears. So now we have stopped and decided to burn our wood and give some warmth to our hands and legs. So, and you can see just next to the fire, it's all snow. It's all snowing over here.
हम लोग अभी सेला क्रॉस करके जंग पहुंचे हैं और यहाँ पे टेम्परेचर इतना लो है कि बाहर रुकना मुश्किल है। इस टेम्परेचर में हम लोग ने बाइक चलाया, सेला क्रॉस किया है, वो भी नाइट में, जो बहुत ही कष्ट था और बहुत ही एक्सपीरियंसेबल भी था। और हम लोग 2-3 बार गिरे भी बाइक से क्योंकि रास्ता पूरा बर्फ से कवर था। मेरा बाइक का ये इंडिकेटर राइट साइड का इंडिकेटर टूट गया और बहुत एक हम लोग का दोस्त का एक हैंडल टूट गया, तो बहुत कष्ट हुआ ये अब यहाँ जंग तक पहुंचने के लिए। लेकिन अभी हम लोग का अभी भी राइड बाकी है, तवांग तक हम लोग जा रहे हैं। तो अभी ये एक थोड़ा सा शेल्टर मिला है यहाँ पे। हम लोग के साथ एक बहुत ही मदद करने वाला आदमी मिल गया है यहाँ पे। आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया जो आपने यहाँ पे हम लोग को थोड़ी
इंसान के ही काम आता है, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है। आप लोग आए, बहुत खुशी हुई यहाँ पे। सीला सर बहुत यहाँ की टॉप जगह है, इस तवांग इलाके की बहुत हाइट वाली जगह है। यहाँ में सब माइनस में टेम्परेचर है। ये बहुत ही टॉप रोड है, बॉर्डर रोड्स की। यहाँ पे हम लोग जॉब करते हैं, बहुत ही अच्छी है, बहुत टॉप जॉब करना है यहाँ पे। सीमा सड़क संगठन हमेशा पहाड़ियों पे ही रहती है और यहाँ के आम जनता की सेवा करने में लगी रहती है। यही हमारा कर्म है, यही हमारा धर्म है साहब।
Till Sela, I was like too much of full of excitement. Okay, after Sela, I go no more words. I fell off my bike 2-3 times. My signal lights.
Mirror, side mirror, side mirror,
press bar, my side mirror all fell off. My friend Nilotpal came to me to help me out to pick up my bike, and he too fell down.
I didn't fall from bike, but I fell when I went to help him, Arshad. My feet
you fell 4 times at a moment.
Yeah, I fall 4 times in under 1 minute to pick up the bike.
Now we are laughing here, but thanks
we know.
But thanks to this really very good person at Hurt, that he gave us this place to stay over here. We have some fire over there. He gave us a blanket.
My hands were so frozen that I could not stretch my fingers. My fingers were straight like this. I could not pull down the clutch and accelerator.
So it was very difficult for me.
It's really cold.
Around.
I'm the thinnest guy over here. So I'm feeling most cold. I still can't feel my fingers. And I fell off my bike once. I fell off from the CBR once while I was taking Suman and my pillion. He suddenly shook on the bike and we both fell down. And right now I'm very sleepy. I can't ride anymore. We entered the first Sela camp. The army people over there, they told that the temperature drop is
-13.
it's -13 degree and it may go down to -20 at times. So that is the temperature we faced. That is the temperature in which we rode. 2 other riders got up in a truck and right now they are missing. So and we don't have any source of communication to contact them. Their SIM cards doesn't work over here. We have a mobile, but then they can't call us and we can't call them. So hope we find them tomorrow. Otherwise, we'll have to call emergency numbers, rescue operation, and then we have to find for our co-riders, and then go back to Guwahati.